what's up my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. It's always good to connect with you. Let me hope that everybody is doing well. Yes? It's good to hear that. Now, today I have another interesting recipe for you. Very simple, very easy. All right, so I want you to watch the video to the very end. Now, to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You're doing well. I really appreciate you. If this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We need you on board. We need you to become a subscriber. Also, we're just asking you to share it with your family and your friends. You can also go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. All right. Turn on your post notification bell as well so that you won't miss an upload from me. All right, so much for the intro. Now, today I'm going to give you another demonstration. I'm going to show you how I prepare soft bread, all right, or roll. Let's put it that way. So I want you to watch the video to the very end. Let me know what you think, right? Your comment is very important to me. Again, keep it positive. All right, so let's get into the process and see what it's all about. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to prepare my wet ingredients. So in this cup, I have a cup and a quarter warm water. Now I'm not using any milk. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and I have a tablespoon of dry yeast. All right, so I'm just going to mix this and let it sit for about 5 minutes so as to activate the yeast. Now we'll just cover it with a piece of cling wrap. So now for the next step, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, sifted already. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of sugar, just want to mix that. Then I'm just going to take my wet ingredients, my yeast with water. I'm just going to pour it in. I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, or if you have margarine, or you can use cooking oil. All right, so we just want to mix this until everything comes together. Right, very simple. As you can see, nothing too complicated. All right, so what I'm going to do now I'm going to cover and let it sit for another 5 minutes or until it's double in size. All right, so you can just cover it with a piece of cling wrap and allow it to rise. All right. All right, let's check in together to see how things are. As you can see, it is rising. Yes. Awesome. So I will just dust it with a little bit of a flour. That's how you want to see it, guys. All right. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to break it into ball-sized pieces, and we're going to put it in our baking tin. So for this part now, you need a little bit of oil, cooking oil on your hand, because now we're going to use our hands to break it, and you don't want it to stick on your hand. All right. This part is quite messy, so just keep greasing your hand, right? It will help with the stickiness. All right, so that's about it. So we're just going to leave this again to rise, and then I will come back to you. All right. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reshape them for a smoother finish on the top. Again, you just want to get your hands greased. You can always dust it with your flour. All right, just like that. Okay guys, so I'm finished reshaping my bread or buns. Now I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You can do the calculation in terms of Celsius, maybe around 180, but 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course, when you're baking, you want to make sure that you grease your baking tin, all right? So I'm just going to put this in the oven. I'm going to let it bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, and then I will come back to you to show you the finished product. All right, now if you've reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like, and also share the video. All right, please remember to put a like on the video. This is how it helps the channel. All right, I appreciate it. All right, folks, so this is what the finished product look like. And for full disclosure, I left it in the oven for 20 minutes. All right, so this is what it looks like after 20 minutes of baking. And I'm just brushing the top with some melted butter. All right. All right, so this is what it looks like. Looking real good, so I'm just gonna let it cool first and break a piece and see what inside look like, all right? So guys, before I close off the video, let's look at what we have done. Still hot, but look at how soft it is, how fluffy. You've got to try this. Amazing. Thank you so much. God bless you, and let me know how your bread turns out. So guys, we have come to the end of another video on how to make soft bread. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and also share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these videos that I'm creating just for you. Also remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload from me. May God bless you. Thank you so much. It's MDTD, how to make soft bread. God bless you, and I will see you in the next video.